From News 19, I'm meteorologist Daniel Bonds. Pretty hot weekend. Did manage to make it to 94 degrees on Saturday, 95 on Sunday. 95 is the hottest we've been so far at the Columbia Metropolitan Airport so far this season. But July is the month where temperatures, at least on average, are the hottest, but it's also the month where temperatures start to decrease on average. You'll notice by the end of the month, at least our average temperature does drop a degree. Here's the records for today. They're going to be safe. 104, that was set in 2016, so 7 years ago, and 61 the record low, and notice that record rainfall, over 3 inches of rain back in 1942. We do expect some showers and thunderstorms to develop later this afternoon and this evening, so we can't rule out a little bit of rain across the Midlands. Kind of your typical summertime-like pattern. You'll see that opportunity for showers and thunderstorms, and some of that activity will move over towards the PD and even over towards, it looks like, parts of the Grand Strand later this evening and tonight. As we look ahead towards your July the 4th holiday, we're starting off partly cloudy. We'll have partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies, and once again, during the heat of the day, there will be that opportunity for some showers and thunderstorms to develop, and that's going to be kind of this repeat forecast as we go into Wednesday as well. So typical summertime like weather with hot, humid conditions with a chance for a few pop-up showers and storms. Here's the severe weather threat according to the Storm Prediction Center. You'll notice at least for the northern part of the Palmetto State, there's a slight risk for severe weather. Elsewhere, marginal risk, except for the very southern tip of South Carolina. So a slight risk for severe weather means short-lived, not so much widespread, but pretty isolated, intense storms. That's going to be possible today. Greatest threat's going to be damaging wind gusts, but we can't totally rule out that chance for some hail. Tomorrow we'll have another at least small risk for severe weather, the lowest category there. That would be 1 out of 5 according to the Storm Prediction Center. But for today, we're expecting those highs to top off in the low to mid 90s here across the Midlands. Heat index values will probably make it feel more like the triple digits at times. A couple of lingering showers and storms this evening, and then lows dropping back down into the middle 70s. Maybe you're lucky enough to be heading towards the lake today or tomorrow. Highs in low to mid 90s both days, with that opportunity for some showers and storms. As we look towards the tropics, good news is pretty quiet out there. We did have a little bit of an area that National Hurricane Center was watching last week, but no tropical activity is expected over the next 7 days. And maybe you're lucky enough to be heading towards that salt water. Here's the forecast for Hilton Head, Edisto, Folly Beach, and Myrtle Beach. Those temperatures mid to upper 80s today. Looking ahead towards tomorrow, probably a little bit warmer for Myrtle Beach and Hilton Head, but there is that moderate risk for rip currents. So if you are going to be heading to the beach today or tomorrow, you certainly want to pay attention and heed the advice of the local beach patrol with that moderate risk for rip currents. We do know there was a lot of people having to get saved over the weekend in Myrtle Beach and up towards Wilmington as well. Heat index values in the triple digits across the Palmetto State today, tomorrow, and as we look ahead towards Wednesday. Here's the 7-day forecast for the Midlands. You're talking about temperatures in the mid 90s both today and tomorrow. Then we do start to cool off a little bit, low 90s Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and even into the weekend. But each day there will be that opportunity for some showers and storms to develop. Coastal forecast, basically the same forecast, just a touch cooler though. Each day there will be that chance for some rain with high temperatures generally in the mid to upper 80s. Maybe the hottest day Tuesday with temperatures right around 90 degrees, and in the upstate low 90s today and tomorrow. Looks like their rain chances will be increasing in the upstate Thursday, and then as we head to the weekend, a few showers and storms will be possible as well. Looking ahead though, our 8 to 14 day temperature outlook, maybe slightly cooler than normal in the northern, extreme northern part of the Palmetto State, and then maybe slightly warmer than normal for the extreme southern and eastern half of the Palmetto State. For most of us though, pretty normal conditions in our 8 to 14 day temperature outlook, and that would be July 10th through July 16th.